व्हाट इज अ कार्मिक डेट जो हम बोलते हैं, या कार्मिक क्लोजर? कार्मिक डेट क्या होता है?
You gave me 500 rupees. I took it and then I forgot about it. Or I took it and I had no intention to return it to you. Or I lied to you about the fact that I need 500 rupees for my health, but I actually spent it on alcohol. I'm supposed to give you back that 500, but I didn't bother. In my next lifetime, it will come across as a debt. I owe you something. Because karmic balancing is very important. And karmic balancing simply means that जो experience से मैंने आपको गुजरवाया ना, मेरी वजह से जो आपको तकलीफ हुई, वो सेम तकलीफ जब मुझे होगी तब ये कर्मा बैलेंस हो जाएगा.
So emotion for emotion, feeling for feeling, suffering
experience
for
for
suffering,
experience, loss
and
for loss.
positive for positive also.
Yes, absolutely.
तो आप किसी को positive experience देंगे, so that also
has
comes
to
back
come
to
back.
you.
That's what we call karmic blessings. So karmic debt is something that I owe you in a certain lifetime. I couldn't finish it. I have to come back and give it to you.
And does this karmic, and we were talking in manifestation, and इसमें ये था कि a lot of times हिसाब होता है, आपने किसी को दिया, कुछ मिला. So is this हिसाब always soul to soul, या is it universe to universe? कि is it just between us, or is it between multiple people?
It could be between us and one person, us and a whole family, us and our community, us and planet Earth. What is happening between planet Earth and us right now? हम लोगों ने जितना उसे डिप्लीट किया है हमारे सेल्फिश रीजंस की वजह से, बिना कायदे जाने, बिना ये डिसाइड किए कि भैया एनिमल्स का क्या होगा, फॉरेस्ट का क्या होगा, नहीं हमको तो बिल्डिंगें बनानी है, हमको तो ब्रिजेस बनाने हैं. नेचर गिव्स इट बैक टू यू. जो आप देख रहे हैं, जो भी हिमाचल में होता है या दुनिया में कहीं और पे भी होता है, वोल्केनोज फटते हैं, क्लाउड बर्स्ट होते हैं, कार्मिक डेट, वी हैड टू पे इट.
जितना हम लेंगे हमें वापस देना ही
है,
पड़ेगा. हमें
बिल्कुल.
लगता है कि एंड इन द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड डू यू ऑल्सो बिलीव जो एंजाइटी, स्ट्रेस इज, ये भी एक इट इज़ सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक कार्मिक इम्बैलेंस का एक तरीका है जो मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड में दिखता है हमें.
Anxiety and stress may not necessarily be anything to do with karma. Anxiety and stress purely is a lack of faith. Okay, or wanting to be super in control. जब किसी इंसान को लगता है ना कि मैं ही हूँ सब करता धरता, मुझे ही करना है, मैं अकेले ही कर सकती हूँ और मुझसे बेटर कोई नहीं कर सकता, मेरे बिना कोई नहीं कर सकता और मुझे सपोर्ट करने वाला भी कोई नहीं है, इस इंसान को भयंकर एंजाइटी रहती है. But I have a very simple jugaad. When people see my face, they always say that it always looks like you're always smiling, you're always happy. Because I have this, you call it a delusion, but I always have this thing that God is always sitting on my right side. Always. So I'm never sitting without Him.
How beautiful.
Never. So I'm never left alone. So if I am asked a question or if I'm lost, I literally, this is my expression. People will, in my photographs, you will see this is my expression.
Yes.
Now they think I'm just looking at something. I'm actually having a conversation. क्या करूं? बता दो.
आंसर
And
बताना है
the
इसका.
answer will come. The answer will come either through the next person or through a book or through a message or through something, and then I'll be like, okay, thank you. But if you realize that you are always protected, always supported, half your reason for anxiety will go. And I have a very playful relationship with God. And it's not a particular God, with energy, universe, whatever you want to call it. That कभी कभी चीज़ें होती है ना जो हमारे हिसाब से नहीं जाती. मेरी लाइफ में भी बहुत बार नहीं जाती. And I will either look on my right side and I will look up and I'm like, you started playing again. Why can't you just keep it simple sometimes? Okay, now again I'll have to go through this. Again I'll have to find out चलो इसको कैसे. But I know that he is doing it to teach me. He's doing it to teach me, and I can visualize him sitting with a tub of caramel popcorn and a masala chai, thinking अच्छा चल कर मुझे देखना है तो कैसे करेगी. So it's a very jovial equation, but it doesn't mean that God doesn't put me through tests. He puts me through multiple tests. and puts me through more tests than he puts an average person through.
Because you need to prove yourself again and again
Because
and again.
it's like a conversation where God is telling me that I'm giving you the responsibility of taking care of so many other people's emotional health. First, you make sure that you're strong. And you can't be strong if your life is a bed of roses. You can only be strong if you've gone through every trauma and found a solution and come back with it.